out loud. Dali.
It says, "Happy birthday, my dearest cranky old man."
He's gonna cry.
Oh, yeah. He's gonna... yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So, birthday ni Travis ngayon. May pasok ako, hindi ako alam mo na, makabili ng cake man lang or whatever. Pero bukas namin isi-celebrate. Pero for the meantime, gagawa ko siya ng card, ibibigay ko sa kanya ngayon. Mabilis ang gawa lang. Papakita natin. Kung magustuhan. Ayaw niya yung picture na yan. So, ayun yung gagamitin ko, Alright, ito na yung pinrint natin, guys. Bigyan na natin kay Pangs. Oh, diba? Babe, come here. Look at my letter. Do you like the picture?
That's old.
I took that picture from there. Dali na, read it! Read it, dali. Read it. You better read it.
I
Dali.
did.
Oh, read it.
I
Read it
did.
out loud.
Thank you,
Dali.
babe.
No. Read it out loud. Dali.
It says, "Happy birthday, my dearest cranky old man. Love you so much, even though you always get mad at me every time I drive."
Because he's very perfectionist.
No, it's because
Oh,
you don't
yeah.
know how to
Continue.
listen. Enjoy your day.
Stop
We
arguing.
will celebrate your birthday tomorrow. Thank you for everything, babe. Love you. Mwah.
Aww, look how sweet I am, babe.
Thank you, babe. Even though
Singing sugar,
finally you're being nice.
Naalis na si Daddy sa Friday. Naalis na si Daddy sa Friday.
I'll probably leave late, maybe 2
Put that
a.m.
in the fridge. Ayan yung
I'm not putting it in the fridge. Put it where?
Put
Put it where?
it in on the fridge.
Oh,
On the fridge.
okay.
On the fridge, ang arte. Gusto naman
Where am I supposed to
makipagbarutan.
put it, babe?
On the fridge, just put the Oh, di ba ang ganda? I like that picture.
It's my picture. I took it.
I like that old picture. Yeah, I took
Yeah.
it from there. So, bukas pa kami pupunta bukas kami kakain kasama si Mama Karen.
She flies in
Babe,
at
look at
4.
my pimples. The two.
You need to put the little patch on that one.
Yeah. Ginagamot ko siya ngayon kasi nga lumabas yung dalawa kong Kasi parang nung nakaraan, ko siya, in-squeeze ko siya kasi
But
nga may
is
blackheads. Tapos ayan nangyari. O, diba?
Is it cool enough in here?
Yeah, it is. So, papasok muna si Travis and uuwi siya na maaga and may pasok ako mamayang hapon. Siguro mag-nap ako bago ako pumunta ng work. And ayusin ko yung maleta kasi gagamitin niya yung maleta ko. Si Kinsley. What did you do yesterday? Kinain mo na naman yung bag ni Mami, Kinain mo na naman yung bag ni Mami. Nagalit si Travis pag uwi niya. Babe, what did she chew yesterday while I'm gone?
There was nothing yesterday.
But you said...
No, she just
Oh.
can't. She just can't be out by herself at all.
Right. Look at her. Look at that cutie pie. Look at the cutie pie. Mom, look at the cutie pie. Mama Karen's gonna take care of you for a month. Yeah, because Mom and Daddy needs to work. Takot yan siya kay Roger. Ito yung bago naming Roger. Nagsasalita kasi. Go get your toy there. Go get your toy. Get your toy, come on. Ayaw niya yan What happened? Get your toy. Hey, get your toy there. Get your toy. Ayaw niya kay si Roger. Get your toy there.
How's Roger going?
I thought you already mapped,
No, I just installed it.
kunwari matapang.
Alright, babe.
Laki-laki mong tao, takot ka kay Roger. Mas malaki ka kay Roger, girl. Papasok na si Travis, guys.
Okay, babe.
We'll see you later.
Bye.
Mag-vlog kami later kasama na si Mama Karen.
Vlog kami.
Right?
Vlog kami.
Happy birthday, babe.
A few moments later.
Guys, welcome back! Andito na nga pala si Mama Karen
Undito
sa
ang
Virginia.
pala.
And pupunta kami ngayon sa commissary, tapos papagawa namin yung sa handle ng sasakyan ng CRV. Look at my beautiful mom-in-law. This is my husband. He's leaving soon. Are you gonna miss us?
Of course.
He's gonna cry.
Oh, yeah.
Are you gonna miss me?
I want my
He's
mom.
gonna...
my
yeah.
Sweetie.
You're gonna miss me nagging you all day.
Oh, yeah.
But don't worry, I'll nag you through that.
And Kinsey will miss you.
Oh yeah.
Pero mag-video call naman kami. One, ano lang naman, siguro mga 3 weeks lang siyang wala. I think total of 3 weeks that you're gone, babe, right? It's not a month. Because you're still here. Maybe almost 4 weeks.
tomorrow
Yeah.
till June 1.
Tapos ipapaayos namin yun sa handle lang.
June 1st, or do you come back?
Yan. Tapos,
Yeah, I'll be on the road.
kasi dadalhin to ni Travis. Alright, let's go. Hey guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Jeep dealership kasi meron pa kaming time para nagbe-burn lang kami ng time, ano.
Do you want to get out and walk, Mom?
So Volkswagen, yeah, we can
Mhm.
go check out.
Kasi may appointment si Travis para sa haircut appointment niya ngayon. Pero,
You know they're gonna bombard us.
Oh yeah, they
I'm just gonna let them know we're just checking them out.
The girls, and then when we're ready, we'll come get
Oh,
you.
look at that.
But on their job, so
Yeah. Ayan yung mga jeep. Tayo ay magtitingin-tingin lang. Tapos babalik kami sa salon. Pumunta kami kanina dun sa Caliber Collision para pakita yung sirang handle. Tapos mag-order daw sila ng parts. Si Mama Karen. Where?
Wait, is that right?
What's that?
Vintage Barber, Greenbrier. It's literally 0.9 of a mile.
Okay.
You wanna?
Oh, look at that. Happy si Travis, oh.
I already have a new truck.
Yeah.
We probably shouldn't even be looking at new ones.
Huh?
So we shouldn't even be looking at new ones because this is $60,000.
Yeah, I know.
Isn't that crazy?
Look at that. I like this kind of color, ma. Like this, a dark.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. But see, I don't like these. See, I
Yeah,
like, I
yeah,
like
yeah.
this better than this.
Yep.
You said what?
Oh, I can't stand this.
Yeah.
This is better.
So they make them like this too. So you can get, I think, the Rubicons that have.
I'll show you the front. Para makita nyo yung...
I don't like that plastic.
Puro mga dealership dito, yung katapatan. Ayan, oh. Ang gaganda.
The problem is like.
Ito gusto ko, babe. This is what I like. Pangs. Ito ang ganda. Diba? This is what I like.
That's what I like too.
Yeah. And ito rin. Ito, yung dark. Ang ganda, oh. Wala lang, nagtitingin-tingin lang kami, pero hindi kami bibili, ha. Mahal-mahal nito, eh. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Gusto ko yung mga dark color, tapos medyo malaki ng kaunti.
They all got the new cuts.
Bagay na bagay pang off-road.
Oh damn, that's nice.
Which one?
This one.
Do you like the color?
I mean, I kind of do because everyone can see you.
Dito kami sa Southern.
65,000.
This one?
Ma. 70,000 out the door.
Wow.
Yeah, plus taxes. That's taxes on 60 grand is $8,000.
Tapos ito yung Ford Chevy. Ayun yung sa kabila, Chevy.
Well,
Ano.
when they
There-
really were only like,
Mhm.
30.
Right.
I mean, everything.
They have more in the on that side.
We should definitely go to the fucking used car lot.
I like the darker color. They look nice.
So the problem with the Willys too is the Willys is nice, but you really need you're
Yeah.
gonna spend the money. You might just not.
Right.
Saglit lang kami dito and pupunta kami sa barber shop. Tapos, pupunta kami ng commissary para mamili, mag-grocery. This time, hindi kami sa Aldi, no? Sa commissary. Sa loob siya ng base. And then, pupunta kami ng Park Lane mamaya. Isasama namin si Mama Karen para matry ni Mama Karen yung love na love naming dessert doon. Ano? So, we'll see you guys later. Ito na kami sa Vintage Barber. Thank you. Hi! Yeah.
I do. My dog comes on Wednesdays, and I always buy Christmas tree donuts for him.
Oh God.
Hi guys! Kakauwi lang namin. Galing kami ng base tapos ng salon. And ngayon naman pupunta kami sa restaurant para kumain. Dun sa... Ano nga ulit yun? Ano nga ulit yun? Restaurant na yun? Kalimutan ko, no? Wait, what is that restaurant? Park Lane. Yung punta kami ng Park Lane ngayon para kumain. Magla-lunch kami. So, alas 12. Mag-alaw na nata. Mag-alas 2 na pala. Bilis. Kasi alis si Travis bukas ng madaling araw. So, kailangan namin mag-rush. Hindi man super rush. Pero maaga siya kasi matutulog. Ano. And punta kami ngayon para kumain doon.
A few moments later.
Here, guys!
My new haircut.
Oh, look at Travis' haircut.
You guys
Dito
want
na
to
kami.
sit inside or you want to sit
Sa Park
outside?
Lane.
I say we just sit
Kain muna
inside.
kami, guys. Right. Hi guys, nandito na kami sa bahay, kakauwi lang namin and nagpe-prepare. Oh gosh, yung sinok ako. Nagpe-prepare na si Travis para alis na kasi siya, no? Kakasad. Pero yun, grabing busog na namin, kumain kami doon. And nagustuhan din ni Mama Karen yung dessert, ano. So, thank you guys for watching. Ayun lang yung muna yung vlog natin for today. And mag-vlog ako tomorrow bago siya umalis. Mag-vlog
See?
ako tomorrow.
I had that in my mind.
Thank you guys for watching. See you again next time. Bye!